The idea of presidential intervention to ease and liberate the Senate from perpetual leadership gridlock is warmly welcomed by a president who's more than glad to oblige, but on the condition the senators first sign off or agree to a deal to let the president intercede. A rather ideal pitch, but highly unlikely to take place with both blocs firmly dug in on their positions, as we hear more from our Kenneth Paciente.
Amid what appears to be a tug of war over which Senate leadership is legitimate, Malacanang maintained that this is not a reason to say that the country is facing a constitutional crisis. It said there is no need for confusion.
Wala po tayo matatawag na constitutional crisis. Maliwanag po ang sinabi. Ang sinusuportahan po at ang nire-recognize na liderato ay ang liderato po ni Acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian.
The palace also said that the camp of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano should simply accept that Gatchalian's leadership is the legitimate and recognized one. It added that Cayetano would have to answer to the public for the effects of his alleged stance on the Senate presidency.
Pero kung isang tao ay magmamatigas, sagot na po niya to sa publiko. Sagot na po niya ito sa taong bayan. Dahil dito sa gulong to, marami po nabibinbin na bills, marami nabibinbin na resolutions, marami pong nabibinbin na trabaho sa Senado.
The palace also maintained that the president is open to holding a special session, but it would be meaningless if senators fail to resolve their disputes.
Sa ngayon po ay pina-finalize pa po, pero ang gusto po ng Pangulo ay mauna ang Senado na magkasundo. Dahil kahit sabihin natin na mayroong hiling ang Pangulo para sa isang special session, kung sila mismo po ay hindi magkakasundo, mababaliwala po ang naisin ng Pangulo. Dapat ayusin po nila ang Senado para ito naman ay para sa taong bayan, hindi pang sarili. So unahin muna nilang maayos ang kanilang mga sigalot at ang kanilang mga issue sa Senado.
According to the palace, authorities are also now verifying the alleged attempt to cause disruption in the Senate.
It is now being validated and it has been deferred to the proper authorities. Sa mga nagtatangka, dahil nga may nauulinigan po na ganitong mga security threats, kayo man ay senador o ordinaryong tao na nagsasagawa nito, hindi po kayo makakaligtas sa kamay ng batas.
Kenneth Paciente for the Nation.